Have you ever wondered how pills can all hold different dosages even though the capsules are the same size? So most capsules are size 00, and these hold between 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams of powder depending on the substance. So let's say we want our capsule to hold 100 milligrams of a specific substance. So in order for that to work, we're going to need to fill the free space in each capsule with a filler powder. And once we know the ratio of the main substance to the filler powder, all we have to do is mix the powders together at that ratio, and then we can fill as many capsules as we want, and each capsule would have exactly 100 milligrams of our main substance. This is how it's done. You fill one capsule with as much main substance as you can, and you weigh that out and find out how much that was. Then you do the same thing with the filler substance. Let's say that this held 500 milligrams of our main substance and 1,000 milligrams of our filler substance. So because we want 100 milligrams of our main substance, what we're gonna do is we're gonna minus the 100 milligrams from the 500 that this could hold. Okay, so that gives us 400 milligrams of potential free space held by this main substance. So we know that one capsule can hold 1,000 milligrams of filler and 500 milligrams of the main substance. So the ratio of filler to main is 1,000 to 500, which is 1,000 divided by 500 is 2. So it's 2 to 1. So now all we have to do is determine how much filler powder it's going to take to fill up the free space left after we put in 100 milligrams of main substance. So 400 milligrams times 2 is 800 milligrams of filler powder is required to fill the free space left after we put 100 milligrams of main powder in this capsule. And so now we know that each capsule will hold 100 milligrams of main substance and 800 milligrams of filler substance. That's a 1 to 8 ratio, 1 part main to 8 parts filler. All we have to do is mix powder at that specific ratio, and we can make as many capsules as we want. So for example, to fill 100 capsules, you know that 900 milligrams of the mixture is going to be needed for each capsule. 100 times 900 milligrams is equal to 90 grams of this powdered mixture. So you put in 10 grams of main, 80 grams of filler, mix it up, and then use something like this, which is a capsule filling machine. It does 100 capsules at a time. So you pour that powder into here, push it into each capsule, and you know that each capsule filled to the brim is going to be exactly 100 milligrams of the main and 800 milligrams of the filler. So now you know how it's done. It's a really simple technique. However, if you're looking to mix a very small amount of powder with a really large amount of powder, like say a milligram or micrograms with hundreds of grams, follow us for our next video on how to do a simple technique called geometric dilution for exactly that.